ganda ng kulay ng damit. Parang nude sa gitna.
Here po.
Here po. Here po.
Ayan. Perfect.
No, thank you.
Okay, can you join your co-actors here, Miss Ame Ann? And this time, hindi siya handa. An influencer and slowly getting into acting na rin, Bong Gonzales!
Woo!
Ay, wow, may pala. Gen Z. Oh! Daming victim niya.
Pak! Aw, rago.
Wala, hindi siya handa. Oh!
Oh, pak!
Okay, sige. Dito naman tayo nasa gitna. That's your marker. O, pakiting na. And, dispatch. Cinema and everything.
Here po!
Right now.
Bong here. Ay, pa, atake. Pa. Oh.
Okay, better join your co-actors there as I call it the next another
Atake, Mima.
Sasama siya sa TV ng simula. I'm happy that he gets the good project. Aljo Mendoza! Ang pogi. He really has the makings of ano. Given the right projects, pwede siyang kumupit with the Elijah, with Ana, with the Kyle Shari, the future drama prince, di ba? At saka ano, yung height, oh, look at him. Ayan. Okay, Aljon Nax, dito naman sa part sa side na to. Still, photo up. Ayan. 3, 2, 1.
Here po. Here po.
Aljon here.
Yun, perfect.
Okay, join your co-actors there as I call in. Another person, pero mahusay. When you have an actress as good as her, wala ka, you can never go wrong. She is 2023 and 2024. Very promising. The family of ano talaga, royalty siya kasi anak siya na siya original na anak ni Janice at ni John. Kyla Estrada! Ang husay niya talaga. Ay, Martin B, nagiging fan ako pag ito. Correct! Beautiful!
Ay, kasing ganda ko siya.
Parang tumatangkad palalo. Center na, dito tayo, marker yan. Beautiful look at her!
Ang ganda.
Here po.
Kyla here. Kyla here. To your left.
Yan.
Ay, ang ganda.
Pak, perfect.
Thank you, Kyla. Join your co-actors there.
Para tumingin dito.
Tatlong taon pa lang, he got a good project.
Dapat yun na.
Let's call in the box office director. Please welcome the teachers and workers.
Ay, ang ganda.
Yes! Send dito sa left, please. Ayun naman co-host na lang tayo. Ang bata, no? Guwapo. Okay, dito daw direct sa side naman ng mga ano.
Yan,
Hi, Direk.
Thank you, Direk.
Perfect.
Journey actors na lang. Together now. We all fell in love with the team up. Sabay tayong umiyak nung naghiwalay sila. But today, after 7 years, they are back in the big screen. August 14. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Junior. never go wrong talaga sa kilig ng dalawang ito. I saw the trailer, they were so fierce, they were so natural, ang galing. No, talk about sa galing nilang dalawa. Julia was in her most natural in this movie. And Joshua is in his most intense. Please give us a good hand. Julia is officially back!
Yes!
Opang-opang.
Here po.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Also, after bankable
Here po! Josh Leah here! To your left! Perfect!
Okay, I'd like to call in everyone, the whole cast and our directors. Director and actresses for a group photo. Please.
Oh, di ba? Nakuha kasi ba? Ayun, siya pa na kami.
Sorry.
Dito po friends, here. 3, 2, 1. Here naman po, kasi naman,
Wala ka kami sa lagang Josh Lia.
Here naman, Star Magic, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Here left.
Here po.
Okay, I think we are ready for the media con. We'd like to request everyone to please take that and